Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. My voice is echoing because I'm in my basement, but today I will be thrift flipping, or at least flipping some clothes that I have that I'm selling on Depop but is unsuccessful of being sold, so I'm just keeping them. Alright, before I start, I will show you guys what items I will be thrift flipping, or flipping, whatever. First is actually this dress that I have here. It's just a normal gingham off-shoulder dress that I had. I got it from Marshall's, I think, and I never actually ended up wearing it. Yeah, I decided to sell it on Depop like a year ago and nobody ever bought it, so I'll just keep it. I think I'm making it into a two-piece set if I could do it, but I want to make this into like some sort of tube top with a lettuce hem on it. I don't know if I could do it or if it will be possible. And then I'm trying to make this into a skirt if I can. And yeah, I'm like high-key scared because I've never actually done this before and I'm not really good at sewing. See the last video I did up here in the cards. The next thing is actually these jeans that I have. They're just normal wide leg or straight leg jeans that I got from Unique, and it's just like really big on me, and so I feel uncomfortable wearing it as jeans. So I'm thinking of cutting him off as shorts. I'll decide later on if I want to hem it or not, because I'm like high-key scared that I'll break my needle and also like mess up the hem, so we'll see. So let us get started. So I began with the pants first, and I started off by measuring how short I would like the shorts to go, and I gave like an inch leeway just in case I flop. So yeah, snip it away. After that, I simply just cut the other side and then I tried it on. And then at that point I realized how short I wanted it to go, so I just cut it off like an inch more, and then I was all set. So enjoy this snippet of like ASMR cutting. And this is how it turned out. We now move on to the dress, and I just started off by cutting off the tube part and the skirt part of the dress. And at that point I actually really messed up, because then I couldn't do the lettuce hem for the top, but I just cut off the arms and I just hemmed the bottom of the top. So after I hemmed, here's how the top looked at the end. I think I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. I moved on to the skirt next, and by the way, this whole thing was just a flop. I ended up doing it the wrong way and ended up being too tight for my hips, and it could not go past it. I had to rip the hems that I did and do it again. That took over 2 hours, and I ended up busting a hole on the skirt. So overall the bottom was just unsuccessful, but here's how it looks anyway. And yeah, so this is the final output, I guess, of my thrift flip. It didn't turn out perfectly, but I'm pretty proud of what I've achieved today, or like for the past 2 days. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me struggle on sewing, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I hope you all keep growing. Bye!